हेलो हाय एवरीवन, फिर से एक बार आप सबका स्वागत है फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया अवार्ड्स 2020 प्रेजेंट्स द रियल सुपर वीमेन अवार्ड्स 2020 में।
और ये है इस विमेन अवार्ड्स की सेकंड लिस्ट। इससे पहले की फर्स्ट लिस्ट हम जारी कर चुके हैं।
बिल्कुल, जैसे कि फर्स्ट लिस्ट में हमने आपको मिलवाया था उन सुपर वीमेन से जिन्होंने अपनी मेहनत से एक नया आयाम बनाया है और सफलता हासिल की। और सेकंड लिस्ट में हम ऐसे ही कुछ देश में से चुनिंदा शख्सियतें आप लोगों के सामने लेकर आएंगे। तो चलिए पहले उनसे मिल लेते हैं, बाकी बात बातें करते हैं। Let's have a look.
प्रेरणा राजौरा। A yoga workshop in old age house in 2018. You also give classes in mentally challenged school on every second Saturday. Thank you so much for your contribution in betterment of society. Good luck for the future. Pooja Gupta, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Businesswoman from Jammu and Kashmir. You are a businesswoman. You run your own venture named Nimbarg Organic Foods. Your business is in the top 5 organic food brands all over country since 8 years. You have directly helped nearly 10,000 women farmers in various parts of Jammu as well as Kashmir. Thank you so much for your contribution to society. Dr. Archana Chawla, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of teacher from Ludhiana, Punjab. You are a professional and experienced law teacher and director of your own coaching institute named Chawla Tutorials, Ludhiana. You are also a researcher and writer since 2006, and 25 of your research papers have been published in national and international journals. Keep motivating and educating the nation. Thank you. Naina More, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Motivational Speaker from Kolkata, West Bengal. You are a celebrity motivational speaker, a writer, and a poet. You are a mental fitness activist and keep writing about the importance of mental fitness in various magazines and platforms. You have done a live show with the leading news channel of Bengal, where you have talked about various topics of society. Thank you for your contribution to society. Anupama Thakur, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Business Woman from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Currently heading Pharma Healthcare and International Business as Senior Manager, where you setting up the Competency Department and driving the Profit and Loss Department for a vertical across the total scope of logistics, including cold chain businesses. In every way, you are perfect at your work, and you are a finalist of Miss India 2020 at the International Glamour Project. You are such an inspiration for society. Good luck for the future. Thank you. Dr. Deepika Kapoor, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Doctor from Mainpuri, Uttar Pradesh. You are a Bachelor of Dental Surgeon, hails from Mainpuri. You are honor of Dr. Kapoor Dental Clinic through your proven and successful digital online business system. You have empowered so many homemakers, mothers, working women, and students and transformed into successful entrepreneurs. You are an inspiration to society. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Advocate Dr. Shivangi Jarkar, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Advocate from Thane, Maharashtra. You are an advocate and corporate counsel for startup and franchisee. You take webinar and online awareness program for business people and students. You have got more than 15 plus awards in business and legal category. Thank you for educating and motivating society. Afsana Firoji, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Model from Sonbhadra, Uttar Pradesh. You are compassionate and dynamic lady with positive attitude, optimistic, which is required being a model. Apart from this, you conduct cooking and baking classes for cooking aspirants. Keep up the good work. Wish you all the luck for the future. Thank you. Pooja Pandey, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Actress from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. You are an actress and you are very passionate about your work. For you, acting is a steady source of motivation that drives you to do the best. Keep up the good work. Wish you all the luck for the future. Thank you. Nalini Srinivas, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Women Entrepreneurs from Chennai South, Tamil Nadu. You are an entrepreneur and you also are practicing psychologist specialized in child and adolescents. Thank you so much for your contribution in society. Varsha Majetia, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of social worker from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. You are an enthusiastic social worker, energetic mother, and an opportunist. You work in your own business firm, iTech Innovations, as financial advisor. You are inspiration to many. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Dr. Vinay Malik, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Health Consultant from Gautam Buddha Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. You have done PhD in microbiology and you are working on HIV positive patient, both male and female. You are a researcher too. Keep contributing in the betterment of the society. Thank you.
तो दोस्तों ये थी द रियल सुपर वुमेन अवार्ड 2020 की सेकंड लिस्ट। इससे पहले हम फर्स्ट लिस्ट जारी कर चुके हैं।
जी हाँ, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में भी हम आपको मिलवाने वाले हैं ऐसी ही कुछ रियल सुपर वीमेन से जिन्होंने अपनी मेहनत और शिद्दत से अपने फील्ड में एक मुकाम हासिल किया है।
अरे यार शुभम, एक बात मेरे समझ नहीं आई। ये अवार्ड शो तो अपन होस्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या ये है क्या ये? और क्या इसी कुछ होस्ट करते रहेंगे क्या हम लोग?
चलो तुमने पूछा है तो तुम्हें भी और आप लोगों को भी बता दूं कि बहुत जल्दी फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया अवार्ड्स आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आने वाला है बहुत बड़ा ब्यूटी पेजेंट। डिटेल्स, हाँ, और डिटेल्स के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा इंतजार करना होगा क्योंकि हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलने वाले हैं तीसरी लिस्ट के साथ रियल सुपर वीमेन की। उसके साथ मैं आपको डिटेल भी शेयर करूंगा। तब तक के लिए इंतजार कीजिए, खुश रहिए,
आबाद रहिए।
थैंक यू।